Hello viewers, have you observed people speaking different languages around us? How many different languages you heard today coming to school? How many different kind of food you find on the streets? Have you seen different people follows different religions? Can you name them? Different communities celebrating different festivals. Did you participate in these festivals? Can you identify this place? This is Lotus Temple situated at Delhi, where people of different religions do their worship. It shows religious harmony and unity. Have you observed people wearing different kind of clothes? Can you guess what we are talking about? We are talking about unity in diversity of India. What diversity means? Diversity means differences in the way we live, eat, dress and celebrate. But why do we have so much diversity in India? It's because of different geographical features and historical regions. For example, in the mountains of Kashmir, people wear woolen clothes to stay warm. At the same time, in Kerala, a coastal state, people wear cotton clothes and eat rice and fish because it's easily available. Vast Thar Desert in western part of India having harsh climatic conditions. Fertile Ganga and Brahmaputra plain located in northern part of India supports agriculture activities. This shows how our environment influences our lifestyle. Language. India is home of over 325 languages spoken in 25 different scripts, reflecting the rich linguistic heritage of the country. Despite the vast diversity of languages, India has successfully maintained national unity through Hindi and English language. Let us take an example of Rajasthan, where main language is Hindi, but people also uses dialects like Marwadi, Mewati and Hadoti. How many Indian languages can you understand, read, write and speak? Let us discuss about food diversity. India's food diversity reflects its vast cultural, geographical and climatic variations. Each region offers unique flavors, cooking techniques and staple ingredients. In northern India, rich creamy dishes like butter chicken, biryani and naan. Heavy use of dairy products, spices and tandoori cooking. In southern India, spicy tangy flavors with dishes like dosa, idli, sambar and seafood. Rice and coconut are staples. In West India, a mix of flavors, Gujarati thalis, Rajdhani dal bati. Eastern India, simple flavors, fish curries, rice and sweets like rasgullas are prominent. In northeastern India, distinctive tribal cuisines with bamboo shoots, fermented foods. This diversity showcases India's rich heritage and deep connection between food and culture. Now find out food you eat and its relation with your environment. Unity through food. Street foods such as pani puri, vada pav and chaat are loved across India, transcending regional and class divisions. Use of rice, wheat, cumins and other grain and spices are very common in every house. You have also noticed usage of these items in your home Diversity in clothing. Have you observed women wearing saris in different patterns? The sari, a 6-yard unstitched garment, is an Indian attire draped in various styles depending on the region and occasion. Clothing serves as a powerful tool for cultural expression. Let us have a look on different types of famous silk saris. Banarsi silk sari, Kanchivaram silk sari and Chanderi silk sari. Despite varied traditions, festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas are celebrated across the country, showing cultural harmony. Diversity is not a challenge, but India's greatest strength. It connects us through food, language, clothing, and traditions. Today we learn about meaning of diversity, geographical factors affecting our food, clothing, and different religions of India, and how these differences unite us in a single frame. In the next session, we will discuss about Epic of India, Panchtantra stories, and festivals of India as unifying bond. Thank you.